In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can find fast AliExpress suppliers. I'm talking about 7 to 15 days or even lower, like 3 days shipping or 4 days shipping. Now, first thing you need to do, like I said, I will show you multiple ways on how you can get fast shipping and you can find very reliable suppliers that ship quickly and also deliver quickly. So first thing you need to do, for example, I'm going to search for suppliers like fast AliExpress suppliers that ship in just a few days. I'm going to search here for the product name. For example, I'm going to search for iPhone case, for example. Now just search for it in the search result, and here you have many filters to choose. So after that, you want to choose this, you want to just scroll down and then you can choose the shipping for like location. Now if you leave this as by default, it will show you only suppliers from China. That does not mean they don't offer fast shipping. It just means that the shipping time may be like longer, like it would, for example, 10 days, around that. From like, for example, from China to United States, from my own experience, because I'm a dropshipper on eBay, I do like a lot of sales every single day. Like from my experience, it only takes around like 10 days shipping from AliExpress to eBay. Like from China to United States, it only takes 10 days, around that, maximum sometimes 7 days. Okay, from China, like I said, to United States. Okay, so what you need to do is to choose here the location. If you want very fast shipping, you can choose United States. Like shipping from, you want to choose United States, but keep in mind that the prices may be a little bit higher because these suppliers, they have to ship large quantities to United States warehouse and then keep the stock there. That way they can offer fast shipping. So you may notice that the price is a little bit higher, but if you see here the prices are very high, you don't want that, you can just choose again all shipping from all countries, and then you can choose China. But what you need to do, let me just log into my AliExpress account so they can show you exactly how you can find fast suppliers. So for example, I'm going to go, for example, with this product, for example. Now you can either choose here the shipping method. For example, I'm going to go here, it says free shipping, and you can see here the shipping company. It will use like FedEx, as you can see here, or for example USPS, and you can also see here the delivery time. It says here November 10, so that's only going to take around like 6 days, 7 days. That's how long it takes for this to arrive in United States. Now if I click here on buy now, okay, and after I am here on the payment page, I can, for example, I'm going to change the address to United States. Now you can see here the shipping method here, and you can change it to faster shipping method. I'm going to be showing you how you can do this in just a few seconds. Now just click on the product and then you will be able to choose the shipping like options here in the ship. Like when you click where you see here free over $10, click on it, and then you will be able to see if there are any available fast shipping like carriers here. You will be able to choose it, but in this case this product doesn't have any. It only has one, which is FedEx here, USPS. As you can see, they ship with a faster shipping. They only ship with one shipping company, as you can see here. But if you go to another product, for example this one, and I'm going to click the same way, I'm going to click on free shipping, you will be able to see here two different options: AliExpress Standard Shipping or AliExpress Premium Shipping. Now premium shipping only takes like less time, as you can see. AliExpress Premium Shipping, AliExpress Standard Shipping. The cost here is 60 cents, as you can see, if you use AliExpress Premium Shipping. Now another way to find reliable suppliers with like cheap shipping prices, you can contact them directly. That way you will be able to negotiate prices with the supplier. You can just click on contact here, and then here it says message next to the name of the store. As you can see her message. If you click on message, you can also negotiate prices with this supplier. You can say something like, do you offer fast shipping in just 6 days from China to United States or whatever country? Then you will be able to talk to them, and then you can make a deal with them in just the eBay, in just AliExpress messages. So another way is, if you search here for whatever products you want to purchase, make sure you always select here orders. Okay, when you click on orders, AliExpress will show you product with the most orders recently. As you can see, this one has 50,000 products sold, so that's a lot of sales. That means this product is a good product and shipping time is very, very fast. Otherwise, the supplier will not get this amount of sales, because AliExpress has its own algorithms. It only pushes products to get this amount of sales if they are shipping very quickly. So you can take advantage of that, and you can search for products with many sales. These suppliers will ship quickly. You can just select the product here. But if you are doing this for your store, you want to find reliable suppliers, you can just contact them directly, and then you can start talking to them, negotiate prices. Of course, they can offer cheaper prices than $3 here. When it comes to these iPhone keys, they can offer $1 per piece. Also, you can negotiate prices with shipping prices. You can just click on contact, and then you will be able to talk to the supplier directly, and then you can make a deal. So that's exactly what you need to do to find reliable suppliers or fast AliExpress suppliers. Hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.